Hello everyone. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to set up the Serverstats bot for your Discord server. This is part 11 of my Discord Academy 101 series. And as you can see, we're continuing where we left off last time, where we set up the Fredboat music bot and you learned how to use its commands. The first step in setting up the Serverstats bot, of course, is to go to its affiliated website, and in this case it'll be serverstatsbot.com. Once again, I'll have this website linked in the description so you can follow along. Once you click on that, you'll be brought to the main website. It'll look something like this, and once you're here, you'll have to click the Invite Bot button. But before you click that, make sure that you're signed in with your Discord account on the Discord website on the browser that you're using. Assuming that you're logged in the browser, your account will be instantly linked when you click the Invite Bot button. Once you click on that, you'll be brought to the Invite Bot page. Of course, like always, all it will ask for is to add the bot to the server and to create commands. Then you can choose the server that you want, so in this case I'll choose a tutorial server like always, and then click continue. Then you'll be asked to list a few different permissions that you want the bot to have access to, and of course we usually leave it default as it's usually recommended. And then we'll click authorize and it'll join your server. Now that the bot's in the server, we could give it the bot role, so it's with the rest of the bots, and now we could use its commands to set up the bot. So all we're going to do is go to the bot commands channel that we've created previously, and we're going to use the command /setup. Then we'll simply click on the command corresponding with the Serverstats bot, and then there will be two sections here, channel and template. For the first section, you'll be asked to choose a channel type. The channel type is basically just what type of channel would you like your stats to be listed as. It could be within a text, announcement, or stage channel, but we typically use a voice channel as it can be easily locked and be displayed as unclickable information. So let's choose voice channel, and then next we'll have to choose the template type. There's a few different options here. You could do default counters, default channels and roles, default emojis and stickers, default and boosts, and NFT crypto. But let's just select the default counters here, because you could always edit the channels afterwards. Once we select those, we can click enter. And as you can see, the different counters were set up by the bot. And of course, you could edit any of these channels to change the name or add an emoji to it. But also, you could also add new counters by doing the /counter list command. So if we do /counter list, we could see a list of available counters, and we could choose ones that you'd like to use. For example, if we wanted to add the roles counter, we could do the command /counter create, click enter, and then choose roles in the server, and then do a voice channel recommended like always, and then click enter. After a few seconds it'll be added to the list, and as you can see the role counter was created. As well as if you like, you could always shift these channels around into your desired order, as well as you could edit any of these channels and add an emoji, such as this one. I could add a smiley face emoji and save changes, and as you can see, there we go, so it's saved and it keeps the number count. As well as the bot is adaptive, so if you do edit the name of the channel, as long as you have a number inside of the name, it will always update with the same changes that you made, but it'll only update the number. One last thing to note is that counters automatically update with a 15-minute delay. So don't be surprised if they're not updating within 30 seconds, because it does take about 15 minutes for these counters to update if you do have members joining all the time or other stats changing quite often. Anyways though, that'll be a wrap to this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed my new editing style that I've been doing on my videos lately, and I hope you guys can leave some feedback in the comment section below. As well as, if you do want to, you can subscribe. We are going for 500 subscribers. And if you would also like, you could always join my Discord server in the description below, as once we hit 75 members, we will be hosting a Premium Nitro giveaway. But anyways, I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this one, even though it was a little bit shorter. Please leave any comments or suggestions in the Discord server for future tutorials that you'd like to see, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.